You've heard of cleansers, toners, serums, but what about essence? In Korean skincare, essence is the soul of hydration. It's lighter than a serum, but more potent than a toner. Essence preps your skin to absorb everything that follows. It deeply hydrates, soothes, and helps with texture. After toner, pour a few drops into your hands and pat gently into your skin. No cotton pad, just fingers. We recommend trying the CosRx Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence for healing and hydration, or Misha Time Revolution Essence for brightening. Essence is the quiet hero. Hydrating, softening, transforming. Ready to elevate your glow? Subscribe to Glow Rituals for more skincare decoded, step by step. We'll see you on the next video.